Varanasi, today Congress Party's student wing, National Students Union of India, has called a Mashal March here outside their office in the national capital. And as you can see in the visuals, the students as well as student leaders are holding mashals in their hand, and they are clearly demanding CBI probe into this matter and re-NEET examination. I am joined by Varun Chaudhary, National President of NSUI. So Varun, it was seen that Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has recently given a statement where he said that everyone who is the culprit behind this will not be spared.
Again and again, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ji giving statements only. I want action now. I want immediate action. Ki Dharmendra Pradhan ji immediately start the inquiry against NTA. Yesterday, you even seen in Gujarat, lot of arrests also happened, especially the NTA deputy superintendent also arrest with the check of 2 crore rupees. Now I request Dharmendra Pradhan ji immediately start the inquiry against NTA and immediately call the meeting of NTA and the exam center and immediately release the date of NEET exam and start the re-NEET exam process.
What are your main demands here?
My main demand is immediately release the date of re-NEET exam. I want a NEET exam should be again to be happen and immediately arrest of NTA senior officers also. Those are involved in this scam. And this scam is bigger than Vyapam scam, I'm telling you. Again and again. And yesterday, though that happened in Gujarat, you see what happened in Godhra. In Godhra, you see deputy superintendent of NTA is arrested by police, Gujarat police. That's clearly shown that this is completely a scam. You see lot of things. The exam result also come out before 10 days. Why the result is on 4th of June? And lot of students are with us. They also want now that this exam should be conducted again and immediately.
On the other hand, Varun, I can see the police have installed heavy barricading and they have deployed police forces to stop you.
Yesterday, police also filed the FIR against our NSI officials. I think the Narendra Modi government and education minister is in the field. He is so scared now of us. He's filed lot of charges and fake FIRs against our NSI office bearers. But we are not scared of them. We keep fighting till we get justice for 24 lakh students.
So here you can see in the visuals behind me, hundreds of students of National Student Union of India have gathered here outside their office to protest against the NTA. It was seen that last week result of NEET UG exam came, which spiraled into a major controversy where the various accusations of irregularities, paper leak were made against the National Test Agency. And as you can see, NSU and various other students' unions like ABVP, ISA are protesting against the NTA and the Education Ministry. With cameraman Anil Jaiswal, Anmol Bali from New Delhi.